Hello, my followers, wherever you are at this time. Just came quickly to give you a short notice about what is happening in Republic Democratic of Congo, in east of Congo. This is in Goma, where the volcano eruption just happened. Many people, thousands of people have lost their house. There's also some people who died because nobody knows when the eruption is going to happen. People did not know, either the government did not tell people, there was no warning. So what just awake these people is when they saw on the mountain there was a red light, coming up. So immediately what come in their mind, they don't know this is a volcano. So they started running everywhere. And then other people, some of them went to cross the border to neighboring country, which is Rwanda. But suddenly when they reached to the border, Rwandan government couldn't open the border for them. They leave these people there for 8 hours before Rwandan government opened the border for them. This is very sad because it shouldn't happen. When there's an emergency, there could not be negotiation. They should let these people just enter because they were running for their lives, That was not good, but we thank God nothing happened to them. They went there just for 6 hours, 7 hours. After that, then they came back. They crossed over to Republic Democratic of Congo again. But there were some people who passed away. It's really sad, very sad. So for now, I'm going to let you watch what is happening in the Republic Democratic of Congo, in East Goma, in town of Goma. Thank you.
Unaona moto? Unaizi moto ingali. Hapa ndio kwa volcano itachomokea sasa. Mnaona? Hapa. Mere sibongo, mufike Goma bie. Niko onyesha kwa volcano nitaanza katikia kimbia kwanza hizi tatu kabula hapa.
Hapa nyumba inaangukia watu sai.
Just now, before 2 minutes, there was earthquake here in Gisenyi, and if you can see, they cut the road. People are saying almost this is a 3-street. This is 3 street. They are saying they cut the road. You can see how they cut the road, even also wall and everything. Jambo mama.